Hi and welcome, Daniela here with a new layout created with the January kits. I used the papers and of course the embellishments, and if you want to you can purchase the embellishment and pattern papers together. It's a bit cheaper, then you get a discount, and then I also used the 6 to 8 papers from the Pocket Life kit. I started my page by cutting off the strips of white cardstock because I want to place it on a pattern paper later, and then I fussy cut those two papers, and I also used my circle cutter to cut a picture and circles from the Pocket Life kit papers. And by this you can create a nice page with butterflies and puzzle pieces. So the circle is the main focus here. I will place everything around the circle element, which is placed in the center of my page. And you see that I backed the picture with two different pattern papers. One is taken from the 6 to 8 papers from the Pocket Life kit, and the other one is a bigger paper from our 12 to 12 paper stack. And these are the fuzzy cut pieces from the pattern papers. And I want to use the puzzle pieces and place them here around my circle, and you see that this is a nice frame for my circle element. And I fussy cut those pieces just where you can see the white space here on the paper on the right hand side. And I want to use foam tape to have a lot of dimension here, and so I just add 3D foam tape to every puzzle piece, and then I adhered it this way. I also want to use all these butterflies fuzzy cut from the other pattern paper, and I want to add them here on the color pieces. We get butterflies in orange, yellow, pink, purple, teal, blue, and the pink one is comes with yellow as well. And I use here 3D adhesives again to have even more dimension, and it feels like they are flying, fluttering all around the page. And I really like this way or this kind of look. It is kind of light, even though there is so much going on here on this page. And you see that I also tried different other elements. I want to have two floral pieces, but they shouldn't be too heavy. So I flipped through all the die cuts. We get these pretty floral items. There is a full package of those, and they are really pretty, and they match all the papers of the kit so well. And in the end I decided to just place those floral pieces behind the picture, and it's just peeking through, so we only see a tiny bit of it. And then I went for the embellishments. I wanted to use this black chipboard piece with bold colors on it, and then I also went for this title snap. Both pieces are taken from the chipboard pack, and then I also wanted to use a lot of puffy stickers, and we get these in every kit. They are always included in the embellishment kit or in the main kit. And you see that I'm going for the different colors, and it's kind of color blocking what I'm doing here right now. So I add the orange pieces to the orange puzzle piece and some pink stickers and so on. So it's like color blocking, and this way I have a lot of dimension on my page. And I really like this look. It's so much fun creating it as well, because you can just throw your embellishments on your color piece, and everything matches so well. And this is quite an easy thing to do, and it's so much fun. I can tell you, really, it's so much fun. And you see that there are also some black and white, not black and white, but black contrasts here, because we have black in the butterflies and also in the big, or in the one chipboard piece that I used. And then I also wanted to see what else I can add, and I decided to have a few ephemera pieces here again. And so I placed one here and another tab here, and on that tab I was able to write my the date the picture was taken. And first of all, I even wanted to go for more, but then I decided this is almost so much. There is so much going on my page, and I wanted to add a paper frame and try different versions. And in the end, I decided to go for black and white. And you see that each paper adds another touch, but in the end I decided to go with this one, and I feel that this is a nice frame for the page, and this is what my layout looks like in the end. Thank you so much for watching. This was the last layout I created for Hip Kit Club, and I had so much fun working with the Hip Kits. Take care and see you soon somewhere else.